Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to unmerge cell in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then show the now another format is the merge cell. This format from the unmerge cell. Now select from the merge cell option. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the margin center option. Now click for the unmerge cell. Now for click. That's it. Then again. Now click for the unmerge cell. Then others option. Now click for the unmerge cell. That's it. Then I show the Unmerge Cell in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.